Viewers, and the water crisis in Delhi, if you want to understand the extent of it, watch these scenes on your screens. These are pictures that are coming in from Vivekananda camp in Chanakyapuri in Delhi. And that was a tanker that came in. There were children who ran behind it, they jumped onto it, and then a rush, a maddening race with pipes of water. Their mothers, their relatives, their sisters gave them the pipes, and those children then are trying to ensure that their family gets water. And look at that, women there standing with canisters, plastic buckets to ensure that there is water. This comes at a time when the Aam Aadmi Party government in the capital is trying to battle the water crisis in the sweltering summers of Delhi. And we'll also show you visuals of how a protest is currently underway against the Delhi government, and those are members of the Bharatiya Janata Party's Women Morcha. They are protesting against Atishi. They are breaking earthen pots to show their protest. Was there a contingency plan in place when the Delhi government knew that the summers are going to be blistering this time? That's the question that the Bharatiya Janata Party is asking. But look at, to understand, like we've been telling you, to understand the extent of the water crisis in Delhi, the pictures on your screens are coming in from the Vivekananda camp, where there's a maddening race to get even a drop of water. Isha's joining us on the phone line. Isha, dramatic pictures there. Tell us what the situation on the ground is. How bad is the crisis?
Sagarika, yes, and I mean, these are just visuals from one camp. There are several more camps in the national capital which are receiving, which do face the dearth of water supply. In fact, this is just Chanakyapuri, but several areas in South Delhi, Northwest Delhi are facing similar situations where a tanker comes twice a day and supplies them water. And this is the promise of Arvind Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal used to say that this is his second term and he will make sure that every house has a water supply, and this is the state of water supply. This is what he used to vouch upon, and that is the ground reality that has come to the fore. And in fact, we also saw in the visuals that small young kids are running towards the truck, and also Atishi at the same hand coming out and doing a press conference stating this is just the BJP's fault because they have not let the water out of Haryana. But again, questions about the fact that this is the second term of the Aam Aadmi Party government, and if people have to suffer for such a basic bare minimum resource, that raises multiple questions on their credibility. Back to you.
It's a race for pani, and those are the pictures on your screens. We leave you with those pictures, taking a short break here on Times Now. Stay with us. We'll be back with more news and updates.